Naho. I am Grandfather Eagle Soaring Overhead. As you know, my grandson does this technological eagle eyes work. And in this video, he is showing you a buffalo herd. The buffalo is a great symbol for the buffalo is life for us because of all the buffalo could provide for us. In the 1700s, this was still true. Today, there are so few of these magnificent animals, and so few of us born of the Native American blood. You'll see in the video this beautiful herd. You'll see energies. If you're not familiar with them, this is Scotch broom. Another, abundance. For some of you, just allergy, because most people are not totally comfortable with this plant. But as a sign of abundance, it certainly is true. The next thing on his video is wild horses running. This is a good energy. These beautiful horses running through the Scotch broom. The golden of the Scotch broom and the beauty of the horses. This gives you an energy that you can hold in your heart. It's joyful and abundant. And the final impact of that day comes from visiting his sister and being able to use his sky eyes as a drone to see a beautiful whale in the waters of Depoe Bay. Days of abundance like this should be treasured, appreciated, and with great awareness, my grandson captured this day of abundance. And it is through this medium that we share it with you now. This beautiful water, seeing the spout, seeing the energy, and the whale, in the Pacific water off the coast of Oregon. Life is meant to be enjoyed, meant to be celebrated. And this, a day of abundance, is especially important to share and appreciate. Tanaho, Eagle Soaring.